Good morning. Today we'll be discussing about the worksheet which I have posted earlier. And in this worksheet, what we do is we come across problems which are basing on the arithmetic operations on ratio numbers. In the previous cases, what we have done is we have done addition and multiplication separately, whereas here we will do all together. That is not like a special entity of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We'll put all of them together and we'll try to solve problems on ratio numbers. So we go with the first problem. So 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 5 plus minus 13 by 7. This is the case. So what we do is firstly we multiply this. That is, wherever you have brackets, as we have discussed in the previous classes, that indicates multiplication, do that multiplication first. Then that is 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7 plus into minus is minus 6 by 5 plus into minus is minus 13 by 7. Now take the LCM of the denominators. So when you take the LCM of denominators, here the LCM of 5, 7, 5, 7. LCM of 5, 7, 5, 7 is 35. So LCM is 35. Now 5 7s are 35. So 2 7s are 14. Plus 7 5s are 35. 3 5s are 15. 5 7s are 35. 6 7s are 42. Next. 7 5s are 35. 13 5s are 65. Now this is what we have done earlier. When we are doing additions or subtraction, what we have done is we have taken the denominators, we have taken the LCM of them. After getting the LCM, we try to identify that number to be multiplied to the denominator so as to get the LCM number. Here the LCM is 35. I am thinking of what number to be multiplied to 5 to get 35. So 5 7s are 35. So I am multiplying the same number to the numerator. So 2 7s are 14. So that is the way I have done for the remaining 3 terms as well. Now 14 plus 15, this is a normal addition. So 14 plus, or you can also interpret it on integer terms like numbers of same signs, you have to add them. So add upon 14 plus 15 gives you 29. Here also the numbers of same signs, you have to add them. So add upon, so what do you get? 1 0 7. Biggest number is 65. Sign is minus, keep a minus sign by 35. Now these are numbers of different signs. So numbers of different signs, what you do is you will subtract. So subtract them. Subtract the numericals. 107, 29. When you subtract, what do you get? This is 0, this is 10. And it's carried forward. Then this is what? This is 17. 17 minus 9. 17 and minus 9 is 8. And this is 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is 78. So this is 78 by 35. Now out of these two, the biggest number is 107. Sign is minus, so keep a minus sign. So finally, the simplified form for this entire expression is minus 78 by 35. So this is the way to go about. First, you open the brackets. That is, bracket indicates multiplication. So multiply that. Then you will arrive at this form. After arriving at, do the usual process. Take the LCMs of the denominator and try to identify that number to be multiplied to the denominator to get the LCM number. And multiply the same number to the numerator as well, like we have done in this case. 5 7s are 35, 2 7s are 14, 7 5s are 35, 3 5s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 6 7s are 42, 7 5s are 35, 13 5s are 65. Next is simple integer operations. Same signs will add, I have done the same signs, adding, I have done the same. Different signs subtract, I have subtracted. And they will keep the biggest number sign. 107 has the biggest, 107 is the biggest numerical, sign is minus, so keep a minus sign. So that is it. So we go with the next problem. So the next one, 2 by 5, second one. 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 9 plus 23 by 180 minus 1 by 9 into 3 by 4. So again we will go with the same process. First we open the brackets. So while you are multiplying, multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 2 into 1 is 2, 5 9s are 45. We are multiplying numbers of different signs, so we will get a negative number. Plus 23 by 180 minus 1 into 3 is, or you can simplify this rather. If you simplify this, 3 1s are 3 3s are. So this is 1 into 1 is 1, 3 4s are 12. Now take the LCM of 45, 180 and 12. So 45, 180, 12. Now you can go with 45 straight away. 45 ones are 45, 45 fours are is 90, and you can write 12. 4 5s are 20, 0 2. So that's this. If you can go with 4. So finally what do you get? 45 into 4 into 1 into 1. That is basically 45 into 12. 45 into 12. 1 4s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 5s are 5. So 13, 5 2s are 10. So this is 5 4 0. That is what we get. 1 4s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 5 13, 5 2s are 10. So 5. So this is 540. So LCM is 540. Take the LCM. LCM is 540. Now think of what should be multiplied to 45 to get 540. So 45 12s are 540. So 45 into 12 is 540. 2 into 12. 12 2s are 24. So write that. Now 183 sir 540. 23 3 sir 23 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Next. 12 45 sir 12 45 sir 540. So 12 into 45, 1 into 45. 1 into 45 is. Now we have these two numbers of same signs, therefore we will add them. So when you add 24 and 45, you will get 69. Out of these two numbers, the biggest number is 45, keep a minus sign. So minus 69 plus 69 by 45. Now different signs, we have to subtract 69 and 69, 0. So 0 by 540. 0 has got no sign. So I am not writing any sign for 0. 0 by any number is 0. So finally the answer is 0. So in every problem, what we are trying to do is, first we are opening the brackets, then we are doing the LCM. This is the funda that we follow for all the problems. So this is about the second problem. Now the third problem is your homework, which is just similar to the first one. That is what you do. Now look at the fourth one. So this is 25 by 8 into 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into minus 10 by 9. Now if you observe closely each term, you can do some cancellations in that. This is 5 1s are 5 5s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. So that is the cancellation which you can do here. Here also 3 1s are 3 3s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. Now multiply that. 5 into 1 is 5, 4 into 1 is 4, minus 1 into minus 2. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, 1 into 3 is 3. Now plus into minus is, or in fact minus into plus, minus into minus is plus, so we write the same, 5 by 4 plus 2 by 3, that is minus into minus is plus. Now again repeat the same process. 4 3, the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 2 4s are 8. So 15 plus 8, normal addition, 23. So this is 23 by 12. So that is the case. See, whenever you are doing a simplification in the bracket, if you arrive at a negative sign, retain that bracket as it is till you multiply it with the sign before that. So that is what I have done. 1 2s are 2. We are multiplying numbers of different signs, you get a negative number. So since I have a negative number, I retain this bracket and then I have multiplied with the sign before that bracket. So that is what we go about. So that is about the third problem, or in fact the fourth one. Fifth one is similar to the fourth one, that is your homework. Now we will discuss the sixth problem. Minus 5 into 2 by 15 minus minus 6 into 2 by 9. Again, similar kind of problem. There are simplifications that can be done here. So 5 you can write it as 5 by 1, 5 1s are 5 3s are. Then 6 you can write it as 6 by 1. These two goes in 3 table. 3 2s are 3 3s are. So then 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3. This is minus, this is plus, positive, negative, different signs. So we will arrive at a negative number. Minus 2 2s are 4, 1 3s are 3, negative, positive. So different signs you will have a negative number. So that is the case. Different signs you will have a negative number. Same signs you will have positive number. So that is what I am going about. See here there is nothing to multiply. So straight away you can write minus 2 by 3. A minus into minus is plus 4 by 3. LCM of 3 and 3 is 3 itself. So nothing to multiply because the LCM number is there itself. So write the numerator as it is. Here also the LCM number is there itself. Nothing to multiply. Write the numerator. Now different signs you have to subtract. When you have different signs you have to subtract. Subtract 4 and 2. So you will get 2. The biggest number is 4. Sign is plus. So plus 2 by 3. So that is the way to go about. So remember, people gets confused using both the rules. Whenever there is a multiplication, you will use the multiplication rule. If there is no multiplication, you will use the addition and subtraction rule of integers. So this is about the 6th problem. 7th and 8th are homework. Now we discuss the 9th one. So go to the 9th one. So 1 by 4 into 2 by 7 minus 5 by 14 into minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 7 into 9 by 2. So first we multiply the numbers inside the brackets and then we try to simplify. So wherever a simplification is possible, do that. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Next 2 1s are 2 7s are. Here there is no cancellation possible. 3 9 you cannot cancel them because they are in the numerator. Numerator cancellation cannot be done between numerator and numerator. So I am not cancelling that. So go about this problem. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 7s are 14. Now there is no negative sign, so I am not keeping a bracket here. Minus 5 into 1 is 5. 7 3s are 21. Positive, negative, different signs multiplication, you will get a negative number. So keep a bracket. Then 3 9s are 27. 7 2s are 14. Now this is minus into minus is plus. So 1 by 14 plus 5 by 21 plus 27 by 14. Now take the LCM of 14, 21, 14. So 14, 21, 14. So you can go with 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14. So what do you get? 7 2s 14. 14 into 6. 6 4s are 24. 4 2. 6 1s are 6. 7 8. So the LCM is 84. You can multiply all three of them, or you can take two numbers. Or 7 3s are 21. 21 into 4 is 84. You can do either ways. Multiplication you can pick up any of the numbers not in the given order and you can multiply. So the LCM here is 84. Now 14 6 are 84. 14 into 6 gives you 84. 1 into 6 gives you 6. Now 21 4s are 84 and 5 4s are 20. Like the same, 14 6 are 84. Now calculate 27 6. 27 6. 6 7s are 42. 2 4. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So this is 162. Now all of them are of same signs. Add them. So what do you get? 162 plus 20 plus 6. So this 6 plus 2 8. 6 plus 2 8 1. So this is 188 by 84. Now if you see that these two numbers are even numbers, so both of them will go in 2 table. So cancel them. 2 how many times? 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 4s are 8. And 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Still they are even numbers, they go in 2 table. 2 4s are 8. Or in fact 2 4s are 8, you will be left with 1. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So finally the result is 47 by 21. So that is all about it. So that is it about the 9th problem. So 10th problem is similar to it. I'll be discussing the 11th one. So 10th problem is your homework. So this is 3 by 11 into 5 by 6 minus 9 by 12 into 4 by 3 plus 5 by 13 into 6 by 15. Well, even this problem is rather easy. Take this problem as homework. 11th one is your homework. Similar case. So I'll be going with the 12th one, and with that we'll end up for the day. So look into the 12th one. So you need to find out m plus n by, or n plus n divided by m minus n. So I'll be going with the 4th problem, and the remaining 3 problems are for your homework. So look into that. We have m as 5 by 2, n as minus 3 by 4. So we'll find out m plus n and m minus n, and then we find out the division of both of them. So m plus n, which is 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4. Now plus into minus is minus, so this is 5 by 2 minus 3 by 4. LCM of 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is 4. 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, and 4 is already there. You can write it as 3. And this is 10 minus 3 is 7, so this is 7 by 4. Similarly, we calculate m minus n. So m minus n, m is 5 by 2, minus n is minus 3 by 4. So minus into minus is plus, 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4. So the LCM of 2 and 4, 2 and 4 is 4, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, plus 3, so this is 13 by 4. Now we need m plus n divided by m minus n. So this is what we need to write. We need to calculate m minus n. So m plus n is 7 by 4, m minus n is 13 by 4. So I'll do it also. So convert this division into multiplication, that is 7 by 4 into 4 by 13. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Now multiply this. 7 ones are 7, 1 13s are 13. So that is the way to go. So that is it for the day. Whatever the problems that I have not discussed, those problems are for your homework. And in the next class, we'll discuss the homework problems. So that is it.